If you use Windows 11 every day, you have probably noticed ads and pop-ups appearing out of nowhere. These are not just suggestions. Windows is actively tracking your activity to push targeted content. In this video, I will show you how to permanently disable Windows 11 ads and stop system tracking for good. Step 1. Disable the advertising ID, the core tracker. This is the most important step. Open Settings. Click Privacy and Security. Select General. You will see multiple toggles here. Turn all of them OFF, especially. Let apps show me personalized ads by using my advertising ID. This immediately stops Windows from building a behavioral profile based on how you use your PC. Step 2. Turn off diagnostic and feedback tracking. Microsoft also tracks usage through Diagnostics and feedback. In Privacy and Security, click Diagnostics and feedback. Set diagnostic data to required only. Turn off. Improve inking and typing. Tailored experiences. View diagnostic data. Scroll down and click Delete diagnostic data. This removes previously collected tracking information. Step 3. Remove ads from the lock screen. Your lock screen is one of the most aggressive ad locations. Go to Settings. Click Personalization. Open Lock Screen. If it is set to Windows Spotlight, change it to Picture. Now uncheck. Get fun facts, tips, tricks, and more on your lock screen. These are advertisements disguised as tips. Step 4. Disable File Explorer ads. Yes, Windows even puts ads inside File Explorer. Open File Explorer. Click the 3 dots. Select Options. Open the View tab. Scroll down and uncheck. Show Sync Provider Notifications. Click Apply, then OK. This stops OneDrive and Microsoft services from injecting ads into your folders. Step 5. Turn off Start menu and search ads. The Start menu is another major ad source. Go to Settings. Open Privacy and Security. Click Search Permissions. Turn off. Show Search Highlights. Cloud Content Search. Search history on this device. This prevents ads and suggestions from appearing when you search. Step 6. Disable notification ads completely. Many pop-ups arrive through notifications. Go to Settings. Click System. Open Notifications. Scroll down and uncheck. Show the Windows Welcome Experience. Get tips and suggestions when using Windows. This blocks promotional notifications at the system level. Step 7. Remove ads from Microsoft apps. Some built-in apps also show promotions. Open Settings. Click Apps. Select Advanced App Settings. Turn off App Suggestions. Suggested content. This prevents ads inside system apps. Why clicking the X does nothing? When you close a Windows pop-up, you are not stopping it. You are only dismissing that single notification. If tracking remains enabled, Windows will simply generate another one later. That is why changing these settings is the only permanent solution. That is it. Your Windows 11 system is now cleaner, faster, and far more private. If you want to lock down Windows even further, check out the next guide in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
Off in the wind, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.